Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time in my corner of the internet. My name is Timpani. For those who don't know me, I upload beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube, and today I'm showing you how I did this like green ombre eyeshadow look. I used the ABH Norvina Mini Pro Pigment Palette Volume 2. That's right, it's Volume 2. It looks like this. For those of you who don't know, it's a gorgeous palette. So I used this yellow, this green, and this green over here to create this eyeshadow look. So if you're interested in learning how to do this look, or if you're interested in seeing how I did it, make sure to stick around. Also, give this video a big thumbs up to show your support, and make sure to subscribe for more future content from me. Let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Okay, so to get started, I'm just gonna go with my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, as per usual. And then going in with my Morphe Concealer to prime my lids. And now I'm just buffing that out using a Morphe M173. And then my lips are a little bit chapped, so I'm gonna go ahead and just, give those a little coat of chapstick. So first things first, I'm gonna take my Morphe M433 and I'm gonna go into this green shade up top. That was maybe too much, but here we are. Then taking that same brush, I'm going to go into the dark green over here and just pack that in the outer corner. And bring it in actually a little bit more. I'm taking a clean M504. I'm going to just kind of blend that out a little bit. Kind of drag it into my crease. I'm gonna take a little bit more concealer and do like a half cut crease situation. That was a lot. I'm gonna try to move that over with my brush. Now I'm gonna take a Morphe 456 and I'm gonna go into this yellow and just kind of put that in this inner corner. And I'm gonna take a Morphe 506 and go into my green and just place that between the green and yellow and kind of just blend. And then using my color switcher, I'm just gonna clean off that 506 and just kind of try to blend these shadows together. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty foundation in Gingerbread. I look really ghostly in my like camera preview, but like in person, this is like a near perfect match. Okay, I don't know sure what's going on. And then I'm going to go with my Dose of Colors concealer in 22 Dark. And then I'm gonna use my Morphe concealer to kind of just like highlight my forehead and chin. And then I'm just gonna use a beauty sponge to blend all of that out. and then just setting that under eye area using the Huda Beauty Kunafa powder. And while we're here, I'm just going to go ahead and set my face with the Dermablend Warm Saffron. And I'm just using a Morphe E41 for this. Guys, I love this brush. It's so big and fluffy and just so soft. It feels so nice. Because I forgot this the last time I did a tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and bronze as well. This is the Cover FX bronzer in Suntan Bronze, and I use a Morphe M530 to apply that. This isn't my favorite brush, but you know, that's what I got. And then for blush, I'm using a Cover FX in Warm Honey. I was gonna skip blush, but I feel like I need it, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of color to my cheeks, not a lot. Just a little bit. Okay, so now for my under eye, I'm gonna go ahead and go with my bullet brush. I don't know the number of this, but it's just a little bullet brush. I'm gonna go back into the dark green. I'm gonna place that right here and blend it up towards the dark green on top. And then I'm going to take a Morphe M149 and go into our liner green. Place that right next to that. And then last but not least, I'm gonna go with my yellow using a Morphe 213. I'm just going to place that yellow right in that corner. And then just going back in with my color switcher. I got this at Walmart for like $4. It's actually time for a new one, but I'm just cleaning off that 419 or that 149, sorry. And then I'm just gonna blend this under eye area. Solid. For liner, you guys already know this is my NYX Epic Ink liner. This is a fabulous liquid eyeliner, guys, with a felt tip. Fabulous. And then, of course, going in with some L'Oreal Lash Paradise in Blackest Black. And now I'm quickly going to do my brows. For my brows, I use Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown and a angled brush. This is the Morphe M165. And then I'm going to set them using an Essence Brow Gel. Today I'm trying out a new setting spray. This is the Hourglass Soft Focus Setting Spray. So let's just give this a go. It is super fine. I like it. I like it a lot. And then I'm just gonna press it in to my skin a little bit. For highlight, I'm going to be using my Glowing in Grease palette. I'm going to use Athens over here, but before I do, someone suggests spraying my brush with a little bit of setting spray, so I'm going to spray this with a little bit of the Hourglass. Then I'm going to dip into that Athens. Alright, so that works to an extent, but it came out a little patchy. Let's hope we can fix this, because we are too far into this to start over. So we're just going to ignore that highlight. Act like it doesn't exist. Alrighty, so what do we have left? What do we have left? We have lashes and we have lips. Okay, lashes. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Teddy lashes. These are from Kiss. Yes, Kiss. Teddy lashes. I'm like trying to make myself like these guys. Like I really like the garter lashes, but we're gonna give Teddy another try. All right, Teddy, come through. Come through, Teddy. All right, lips. Quick and simple. What are we gonna do, y'all? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? All right, you guys know I love a little nude lip combo. So I'm gonna go in with my NYX Downtown Beauty pencil. And then I'm gonna go with this Maybelline lipstick. This is Nude Embrace. And because we did a matte eye, I'm going to go ahead and do a shinier lip. I'm just gonna top it with a little bit of gloss. This is See Through from MAC. You know, she's like a little glossy, but not too glossy. Just, you know, just a little something, you know, not just so matte. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you're not already, make sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell if you're interested in knowing exactly when I upload. I'm trying to upload every Tuesday and Friday, so 2 times a week, y'all. Me, twice a week, you know. So, I hope to see you guys in another video. Bye.